edible, fit to be eaten, खाने योग्य. Anarchist, a person who believes that law and governments are not necessary. अराजकतावादी. Apostate, a person who renounces a religious or political beliefs or principle. जो अपने राजनीतिक या धार्मिक मत का त्याग कर देता है. Misanthrope, a person who hates and avoids other people. जो मानव जाति से नफरत करता है. Mint, a place where coins, medals or tokens are made. टटसाल. Encyclopedia, a book that contains information on various objects. विज्ञान कोश. Atheist, one who doesn't believe in God. नास्तिक. Bonfire, a large fire that is made outside to burn unwanted things or for pleasure. Casino, a place for gambling. जुआ खेलने की जगह. Monotonous, never changing and therefore boring. उबाऊ. Mammal, any animal in which the female gives birth to babies, not eggs, and feeds them on milk from her own body. Istandhari. Alimony, the people paid to the former wife, husband or partner when the marriage is ended. Caravan, a group of travelers, animals or vehicles traveling together. Kafila. Saga, a long story about past events over a long period of time. Prachin Katha. Lexicographer, a person who compiles a dictionary. शब्दकोश लिखने वाला. Soul, a large number of fish swimming together. मछलियों का झुंड. Nostalgia, a feeling of pleasure and also slight sadness when you think about things that happened in the past. अतीत की याद. Conspiracy, a secret plan made to do something usually wrong. Procrastinate, to put off doing something, especially out of habitual carelessness or laziness. टालना. Samaritan, a person who gives helps and sympathy to people who need it. मुसीबत में मदद करने वाला. Fastidious, one who is hard to please. जिद्दी. Cartographer, someone who makes or draws map. मानचित्रकार. Amphibian, animal that lives both on land and water. Uphachar, relic, something belonging to or surviving from an earlier period. Abscess. Anthropology, the study of evolution of mankind. मनुष्य जाति का विज्ञान. Firm, not soft but not completely hard. मजबूत. Orphan, one who has lost one's parents. अनाथ. Plutocracy, government governed by wealth. धनिक तंत्र. Plagiarism, copying someone else's work and trying to submit it as your own. साहित्य चोरी. Daredevil, a person who enjoys doing dangerous things in a way that other people may think is stupid. Sahasi. Waif, forsaken or neglected child who has no home and spends most of his or her time on the street. Asahai, convalescence, gradual recovery of health and strength. Shastalab, aviary, a place where birds are kept, जहाँ पक्षियों को रखा जाता है. Ductile, capable of being bent or pulled into different shape. तन्य. Pessimist, one who looks at the negative side of everything. निराशावादी. Vacillate, वेवर बिटवीन डिफरेंट ओपिनियंस और एक्शन, निश्चय ना कर पाना, विचार बदलते रहना। इम्पोस्टर, वन हु प्रिटेंड टू बी समबडी एल्स, पाखंडी या ढोंगी। Assassin, a person who kills somebody especially for political reason, हत्यारा। Congregation, a group of worshipper, धर्म संघ। Domicile, the place that a person treats as his permanent home or lives in and has a substantial connection with. Abbas, granary, a storehouse for their seed grain. Dhanagar, slouch, to stand, sit or walk with the shoulders hanging forward and head bent slightly over so that you look tired and bored. आगे झुककर बैठना। Deaf, one who cannot hear, बहरा। Malevolent, causing or wanting to cause harm or evil to someone, बहुत बुरा, नुकसान पहुंचाने वाला। Fatal, causing or ending in death, घातक या जानलेवा। Fatalist, one who believes in fate, भाग्यवती। Pact, a formal agreement between two or more nation or person, समझौता। Septuagenarian, a person whose age is between 70 and 79 years, 70 वर्ष के अवस्था का मनुष्य। Adventurous, willing to take risk and try new ideas, साहसी। Shuttle, a shuttle is a plane, bus or train which makes frequent journeys between two places, नियमित आवागमन यात्रा सेवा। Philanthropist, one who loves mankind, परोपकारी। Bark, outer protective layer of a tree, छल। Lexicography, the practice of writing dictionaries, शब्दकोश संकल्प। Decoding, changing secret encoded messages in a readable form, कूट, शब्दों का अनुवाद करना। Snug, of a person feeling warm, comfortable and protected, or of a place, especially a small place, giving feeling of warmth, comfort and protection, आरामदायक। Magnanimous, kind, generous, forgiving, especially towards an enemy or a competitor that you have beaten, उदार। Invincible, that cannot be defeated or changed, अजेय। Illegal, which cannot be read, जिसे पढ़ा नहीं जा सकता है। Autobiography, life history written by himself, आत्मकथा। Genocide, the murder of a large number of people from a particular nation or ethnic group, जन संहार। Wreath, an arrangement of flowers and leaves in a circular shape, used as decoration or as a sign of respect and remembrance for a person who has died, पुष्पमाला। Teetotaler, one who does not drink alcohol, जो शराब ना पीता है। Hangar, a place where aircraft are kept when not in use, विमानशाला। Cemetery, a graveyard where dead bodies are buried, कब्रिस्तान। Cosmopolitan, someone who regards the world as his country, सर्वव्यापी। Oblivious, not informed about or aware of something, बेखबर। Hysterical, unable to control your feeling or behavior because you are extremely frightened, angry, excited, आपा खोना।